Hello guys, recently I have ordered this Everest electronic voltage stabilizer. You can see the specifications: model, capacity, input voltage, output voltage, time delay, application for refrigerator, maximum 290 liters. It is of Everest company. It has this two line on and line off output or input. You can see I have been using this stabilizer from the past few days. So you can see the line in, no output has been received till yet. So it has a delay timer of 2 to 3 minutes. So we are waiting. It weighs around 300 to 400 grams. I have ordered this from Amazon, and I have been using this stabilizer for my fridge, 190 liters Samsung fridge. So it is working fine, and it is good for the areas where voltage fluctuations is a lot. It is good, and so after a delay of 2 to 3 minutes, now the output light is also on. So this is a good feature. When there is a lot of voltage fluctuations, it delays the output so that the equipment is not doesn't get damaged. So this is the line on input, and this is the output, and you can see this is a single point of contact for the refrigerator's output. So here you can plug in. Overall it is good, and it costed me around 8 to 900 in the Amazon sale. Once again, you can see the specifications. Overall it is good in this price range, and for up to 290 liters it can be used, and it is working fine till now. I've been using this from past 1 to 2 weeks. Stay for more videos. Thank you.